doing fractions. And I'm going to do how to multiply, divide, subtract, and add fractions. So the first one, I'm going to be dividing fractions. Okay. First, you just rewrite the problem. But you can't divide fractions, so you have to multiply. Then you take the reciprocal of 5/6, and the reciprocal of 5/6 will be 6/5. So you do that. Then 3 times 6 is 18. And then you do 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And that's an improper fraction, so you have to turn that fraction into a mixed number. So 10 goes into 18. 1 time remainder 8 over 10. Then you divide 8 divided by 2 and you get 4. Then you divide 10 divided by 2 and you get 5. And the answer to this is 4/5. Then on multiplying fractions.
Excuse me? I want to know where you get this 2. Is it that both 2 can go into both 8 and 10?
Yeah, you have to divide it by something
that can go into both? Ah, I learned something new today.
Then you can do 5/3 times 1/2. So with that, you just rewrite the problem. And 5 times 1 equals 5. Then 3 times 2 equals 6, and that's 5/6. And you can't reduce that anymore.
Right.
So then on adding fractions, you can do 2 and 3.
What are you doing?
6 plus.
You got your problem wrong. You better sit down somewhere.
Plus 3 and 4/5. Okay. First, you have to times both of the denominators. So 5 times 6 equals 30. Then you have to times 4 by this denominator. And 4 times 6 equals 24. Then you have to times 3 by this denominator and you get 15. And then you add both of these. 15 plus 24. And you get 39. Then you do 39. 30. And then you keep the same denominator. Then when you add both of these, you get 39. You put that as the numerator. Then 2 plus 3 equals 5. And this is an improper fraction, so you do how many times can 30 go into 39? It can go into it once. Remainder 9 with the remainder of 9, and then you keep the same denominator. But you have to add both of these. 5 plus 1 equals 6, and then 5, 6 and 9, 30th. Then you have to reduce it. You can divide it by 3, then both by 3, because 3 can go into both of these numbers. Okay. So 9 divided by 3 equals
Three.
3. Yep. Then you do, how many times can 3 go into 30? And that's 10 times. So then you have 6 and 3/10. And then on the last one of subtracting fractions, you have to do 5 and 0.7 minus 2/7. Okay, number 1, you have to make it where these. Okay, you have to make it, because this top number can't be 0. So you have to make this, take from here and make this a 4. And then you make this 7 out of 7. Then you do 7 minus 2. And then that's 5. And then you bring this down, and that's 4 and 5/7. Okay, I'm done.
Yeah, that's good. Good job.